pala. Sabi niya pa. Gininaw din daw sila eh. Kaya sabi niya, pwede pang magkape.
Tayo.
Ha?
Ano? Above is water.
Ano na?
Dagat yung ibabaw nito.
Ah, ibabaw niya. 80 lang siya.
80?
Oo, 80 lang. Nakakabingi ah.
Dagat yung ibabaw.
Inukay to. Paano dagat
In
yun?
400 meters, sharp right.
Pag naging babaw niyang dagat. Baka ilalim.
Ano?
May road din dun eh.
Sharp right.
Sharp right.
In 400 meters at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Dito ba yun?
In 300 meters, slight left toward Yas Drive. In 400 meters at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Hindi ah.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown.
Ngayon yun na ako.
Oo,
Ano?
hindi pa tapos yan.
Ang ganda ng ano, oh.
Yati.
Ang ganda ng ano na to, oh. Yati ba tawag dyan? Ang laki naman.
Yati yan. Presidential yachts.
Laki. Grabe, ang laki. Tsaka ito, oh.
Barko na ito.
Teka nga, hindi ko na-videohan.
Bumabiyahe yan ng bansa, ibang bansa eh. Hindi naman yan yung...
Ate Kaylo,
Ate, kuya. Look.
look at that.
Bumaba kayo.
Oh, di ba ba? Pwede din naman yata mag-park
picture kayo.
na sandali.
Park na. Picture kayo.
Ang ganda eh, oh. Pwede ba yan eh? Ano nila?
It looks like a
Picture.
Lamborghini yacht.
Ha?
Yeah,
Yati
looks
ba
like-
yan?
Yan.
No, I mean it's a cruise.